Hi guys, I am Shikha and I'm a makeup artist. I believe that makeup makes you feel good about yourself and gives you the confidence to go out, look stylish, up to date. But it's not a way to cover up your skin problems or avoid your skin issues, right? Because foundation may make you look flawless, but it should not take away the individuality of the skin. And frankly speaking, like any other girl, even I have skin problems, and Cure Skin has helped me to overcome these. They have these amazing professional dermatologists to help, and they even deliver your regimen to your doorstep. Like, what else do you want? And the products that you get are customized as per your skin needs and your skin concerns that you're facing. So, even if you don't have the time to visit a derma doctor, Cure Skin can come in handy for sure. Because now, when I look at myself, I see a more confident and clear version of myself. So, what are you waiting for, guys? Go and try it out and see the results yourself, because I definitely recommend this.